Inventory management is an age-old problem, and the stakes are only higher for EMS and fire services. Expiring consumables, as an example, can be very costly, and running out of stock is rarely an option. Digital systems are changing the field, improving readiness and efficiency with real-time inventory levels and key integrations. ESO Inventory is one web-based inventory management solution built to seamlessly integrate with EMS systems. ESO Inventory is designed for fire and EMS agencies with automatic tracking of inventory delegation logged in EHR and EPCR data. Gain real-time visibility into oversupply and product expiration, as well as alerts to prevent running out of stock. Procurement is made easy with order tracking and automatic unit conversion. Data from integrated vendors even shows product availability updates. Keep your teams ready and effectively balance your costs with ESO Inventory. Get in touch today to replace your cumbersome inventory mechanisms with a single and simple platform.